Have you ever wanted to feel the air on your face as you free fall hundreds of meters above the ground? Is skydiving not exhilarating enough for you? How about base jumping? After all, what's the worst that could happen? And could you do it without training?
To infinity and beyond!
This is your body on base jumping without training. Base jumping is similar to skydiving, except instead of jumping out of a plane, you jump off a fixed object. It can be a building, an antenna, a bridge, or the Earth. Sure, it's illegal in almost all North American cities without a special permit, but that's not gonna stop you, is it? What would jumping from such a height do to your body? And could you survive? Please don't get any ideas from this video. Base jumping is extremely dangerous. I just stick to trying it in video games. Okay, now that you've decided to make a base jump, you need to choose a place to jump from. Unless it's a sheer mountain like El Capitan, you're going to have to scout buildings or antenna for a suitable launch point. You'll need to study security arrangements and check out weather reports. This means you will be making an illegal jump. Now, we do not recommend breaking the law. You'll need to have an excellent understanding of your equipment. You'll need to know how it works and how to work it. And like we said, there's no training, so you'd better wear a helmet and any other safety equipment you can find. As you step to the edge of your jumping point, you're going to feel nervous. Don't worry, this is normal. Fear will heighten your awareness and focus, so that's good.
I've got to concentrate.
Just don't panic. It's important to keep your cool and stay focused. Keep your breathing constant. You'll need all the oxygen you can get to stay alert and function properly. And no matter what, keep your eyes open. You need to see any obstacles in your way on both your jump and your landing. Be sure to get good clearance when you jump. You don't want to crash into anything. And be aware of the wind. You don't want to be blown back into the side of a building or a cliff. Ah! The first thing you'll notice is the sudden release of adrenaline. Your body is reacting to the danger you've put yourself in. You'll feel a boost of energy as the adrenaline breaks down the sugar molecules in your body, turning them into glucose. You'll start breathing quicker. Try to keep it under control. And your heart will be beating faster, pumping your blood all around your body. Your blood vessels will contract and push blood towards your major muscle groups. You'll start to sweat more, and the adrenaline will bind to receptors on your pancreas, stopping the production of insulin. All of this will heighten your senses, increase your strength and performance, and decrease any pain you might feel. Okay, now pay attention. The ground is coming up fast. You'll reach a terminal velocity of 200 kilometers per hour very quickly. If you jump off a 914-meter building, you'll have 18 seconds to open your parachute, so stay focused on that. Be sure to stay away from cliffs, buildings, trees, or high-voltage wires. Contact with any of them could be deadly. Okay, prepare for a very hard landing. Without training, it won't be pretty. You'll be lucky to come out of it without serious injury. A lot of base jumpers use a wingsuit when they jump. It provides greater air resistance by creating an airfoil shape that increases forward motion while slowing descent. If you were to jump with a wingsuit without any training, there are likely two outcomes. You'll crash and die, or you'll soar for a bit and then crash and die. In 2016, 37 people died from base jumping. It was the sport's deadliest year. Since 1981, there have been more than 400 deaths. But if you're determined to try base jumping, you might want to try skydiving first. Once you master that, then take the time to train to base jump. Your chances of survival will increase significantly. Yeah, even experienced base jumpers recommend doing hundreds of skydives first. Okay, now that you've mastered the heights of base jumping, let's see what would happen if you became a deep sea diver on another episode of Your Body On.